Hello friends, welcome to SSDN Technologies. This is a beginner's tutorial on data analytics. In this session, we will find out the answer to your questions. What is data analytics? What are the process of data analytics? What are the strategies that we are using for data analytics? What are the skills required to become data analyst? What are the tools used in data analytics? What is the role of data analyst and organizations which are hiring and salary? To know about other IT courses like Python, data science and machine learning, subscribe to SSDN Technologies and press the bell icon. Data analytics is the science of analyzing raw data in order to make conclusions about the information. The data analytics reveal the trends from the information which can be lost in the huge amount of data. These analyses give business access to the insights that can help them to improve their performance. These data analytics is used to improve knowledge about the customers, ad campaigns, budget and more. Let's look at the process of data analysis. Number 1. Business understanding. Whenever any requirement occurs, first we need to determine the business objective, assess the situation, determine data mining goals and then produce the project plan as per the requirement. Second, data exploration. For the further process, we need to gather initial data, describe and explore data, and lastly verify data quantity to ensure it contains the data we require. Data preparation. From the data collected in the last step, we need to select the data as per the need, clean it, construct it to get useful information. Data modeling. After gathering the data, we perform the data modeling. For this, we need to select a modeling technique, generate test design, and build a model and assess the model built. Fifth, data evaluation. We evaluate the results from the last step and review the scope of error. Sixth, deployment. We need to plan the deployment, monitoring and maintenance and produce a final report and review the project. The type of data analysis are descriptive analysis. In this, what businesses commonly use as they assess historical data and try to extract the information, most important trends, occurrence and areas for improvement. Second, predictive analysis. In this, we use the insights provided by descriptive analytics and can guide the businesses towards efficient predictive analytics to make more sense of the future. Prescriptive analytics. In this, the analytics beyond the historical insights of descriptive analytics and the possible future outcomes of predictive analytics to provide recommendations of the next step that should be taken. Essential skill for data analysts are: number 1. SQL. Structured query language is the industry standard based database language and is possibly the most important skill for data analysts to know. Number 2. Microsoft Excel. When you think of Excel, the first thing comes in your mind is likely a spreadsheet, but there is a lot more analysis power under the hood of this tool. While a programming language like R or Python is better suited to handle large data sets, advanced Excel methods like writing macros and using VBA lookups still widely used for smaller and lighter analytics. Critical thinking. It is the role of data analysts to uncover and synthesize connections that are not always so clear. R or Python statistical programming. Anything Excel can do, R or Python can do better, 10 times faster. R and Python can handle what Excel can't, and they are powerful statistical programming languages used to perform advanced analysis and predictive analytics on big data. Fifth, machine learning. And artificial intelligence and predictive analytics are two hottest topics in the field of data science, and an understanding of machine learning has been identified as a key component of an analytics toolkit. What are the various tools used in the data analytics are: Apache Spark, Python, SAS, Hadoop, SQL, Splunk and R programming. Let's look at the role of data analytics. It can gather the hidden insights from the data, generate reports. Reports are generated from the data and passed to the respective teams and individuals to deal with the further actions for a high rise in the business. Perform market analysis. Can be performed to understand the strength and weakness of competitors. Improve business requirement. Analysis of data allows improving business to customer requirement and experience. Now let's look at the salary of the data scientist. While the average data scientist salary in India is 8.13 lakh per annum, the salary of some of the top organizations are as follows: Mu Sigma 6.39 lakh, Deloitte 7 lakh, E&Y 8.64 lakh, TCS 8.91 lakh, Capgemini 9 lakh, IBM 9.75 lakh, Accenture 10 lakh, Amazon 12 lakh. So if you want to become data analyst, you can enroll at SSDN Technologies.